Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great and amazing tech video. Well, the video today is all about the SoundCore P20i. This is really cool earbuds from SoundCore, and it's gonna be really amazing to just check them out and see what's so good about it. So enough of me talking, let's get started. Okay, there we go. As some of you guys can see, this is the P20i, and it's really amazing throughout its sound. It has a very good bass up throughout it. So we're gonna be unboxing it and checking it out, what's so special about this kind of bad boy. And yeah, it's gonna be really amazing. So let's get started. Here's our bad boy, as you can see, which is really amazing and packed, and we're gonna just be unboxing it right now. Okay, nice. Nothing else is left on the box. So we're getting our first paperwork over here, and you can download, I guess, the app, or it can link you throughout their store. Through here you're getting some paperwork too about what's happening with the SoundCore P20i, which is really great. As you can see, this is how you can use your buds. Getting the USB-A to USB Type-C, which is really vibrant throughout here. Your interchangeable tips for your buds, get them here, which is really amazing. And last but not least, our buds over here with the lanyard installed already, so you don't need to install any lanyard throughout the buds. As you can see, really nice and matte black, which it's really great color. As you can see, this is how it looks like. I really like the way SoundCore they keep up with their gadgets. It's really amazing. As you can see at the back, there's a USB Type-C port, and the place whereby they kept the lanyard, and it's really amazing. It's like this one from Basius. It has lanyard, but we had to install it separate, but it's actually quite not bad. Even compared to the Basius M2S, a little bit, they're kind of close up throughout there. Even the Hyphen Man, but the Hyphen Man looks a little bit much smaller in size. So it's really cool, the P20i, and we're gonna just be testing it and experience the sound quality, and we wear it. As you can see, it has this kind of stuff you have just to release them, so as they can have an intact with your case, and it's something which is so great. You can see it's on right now, means we're good. So let's test it. This is the SoundCore P20i, and right now we're going to be pairing it with our device, and we check it out how it is, because it's really amazing. Wow. I didn't even keep the volume at max, but the sound is crazy. The bass is just insane. Whoa. Don't go so far for the sound. Just don't push the volume at 100%. You might get deaf. And it's really crazy because the sound is just insane. Like, the more you go, the more you just listen to that peak. So right now guys, I'm gonna share with you the audio, so as you can hear how much it's picking up, and you can be judging it and you say what's happening. So yeah. Let's talk about the SoundCore P20i specification. Well, it has a powerful sound via 10mm drivers. It has an AI enhanced calls via 2 mics. It has a customized experience with the SoundCore app. On top of that, it has a 10 hours of playtime with 30 hours with charging case, and it has an IPX waterproof resistance, which is really amazing. So guys, by far the P20i has a really amazing sound, and it's pushing its kind of bass throughout an extreme way, and it's really amazing. By the way, I like it, the finish and the touches, it's really amazing. The playtime gives you much better, like 10 hours of playtime, which is incredible. Between the P20i, you might be asking yourself a question, and the P25i, they're just the same everything. The only difference, P25i has more driver on audio. If you're enthusiast with sound, gets more deeper throughout there. But the P20, you might be getting a perfect experience just like the P25i, and it's really amazing. That's the only thing which they compared, but not that much bigger issue throughout the entire form factor or anything. It's just the same. And by the way, I like SoundCore, the way they keep up with their stuff. It's just incredible. Even the design, the finish through these kind of buds is just extreme, really nice. So yeah, the scale of 10 to 0, how am I rating these kind of buds? To be honest, I'm gonna be giving them 10 out of 10. It's really amazing. They have more joules of power. I understand you might be needing like 15 hours. Through 15 hours you might be getting a different kind of range. Like you can get the JBL Tune 125 BT, gives you much better, more hours. But for the buds, I find it this one is actually really cool, and it gives you much better options. Like you're not getting the ANC, but the features which it has is just incredible. So that's what's up. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'm gonna be catching you guys on the next tech video. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.